Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to resume browsing session on your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to resume browsing session on your Google Chrome, means if you have closed your Google Chrome while any browsing, and if you want to open the same page again after opening the Google Chrome, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome, click on this three dot, scroll down. In last you can see here settings, click on that. In left side you will find on startup, you have to just click on that. In this you will find three options. Here you need to select the second option, continue where you left, and close this window. Whenever you have closed your browser, it will start from that page. That's it guys. So in this way you can resume browsing session on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.